morning, children. Today we are going to complete the worksheet in the 4th class Blossoms lesson, Major Dhyan Chand. Worksheet number 1. After reading the passage, we have to fill in the blanks. Soldier, S-O-L-D-I-E-R. Army, practice, hockey, night, moonlight, Olympics, Berlin, Germany, victory. Now we are going to fill in the blanks. The real name of Dhyan Chand was Dhyan Singh. Dhyan Chand practiced in moonlight. Meaning of the word Chand is moon. On August 15th, 1936, the hockey finals were held. Germans were the hosts of the Olympics. Now, worksheet number 2. We have to write some sentences using the given table. She was a teacher. He was a teacher. She was a player. He was a painter. She was a farmer. Now we have to fill in the missing letters. Soldier. Here we have to fill the blank with O, L, D, I, E, R. Because. E, P-A-C-A-U-S-E, because. Like that. Practice. Now move on to third worksheet. After reading the passage, we have to fill in the blanks. All the day before, it had rained heavily. The entire field had become wet. The match started exactly at 11 a.m. Roop Singh scored the first goal. Now we have to write some sentences using this table. The match started exactly at 11 a.m. The match started before 3 p.m. The match started after the lunch. The match started late in the evening. The match started early in the morning. So, by using this table, we can write the sentences easily. Understood? Worksheet number 2.3. We have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Look. Run, ground, socks, foot, team. In these words, first word comes in alphabetical order. Foot, ground, run, socks, team. Goal, hut, more, soldier, true. Field, game, last, little, match. Close, hat, just, row, time. Gold, medal, Olympic, third winner. So we have to follow the alphabetical order to write these blanks. Now we are going to fill in the blanks. The German goalkeeper pounced Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand was a true soldier. The Indian team had won the medal third time. It was a hat-trick. Indians were the third time winners of Olympic gold medal. Now move on to worksheet number 2.4. We have to fill in the blanks with some sentences using this table. Dhyan Chand was a true soldier. Dhyan Chand was a great player. Dhyan Chand was a nice man. Dhyan Chand was an award winner. Dhyan Chand was a sports star. Dhyan Chand was an able captain. Here, your teacher will dictate some words like this. For example, player, winner, captain, soldier, sports star, award, like that. Now, move on to another worksheet. After reading the passage, we have to match the words with the antonyms. Aware, unaware, higher, lower, victory, defeat, down, up, after, before. Now fill in the blanks. The German ruler offered Dhyan Chand a higher salary rank in the German army. Hitler awarded a gold medal to Dhyan Chand. August 29th is National Sports Day. The National Stadium in Delhi is named after Dhyan Chand. Now study the following table and write at least 4 sentences. Hockey is our national game. Lotus is our national flower. Peacock is our national bird. Tiger is our national animal. Worksheet number 2.5. Read the passage carefully. What is the passage about? The passage is about Dhyan Chand. What came alive in the hands of Dhyan Chand? The lifeless hockey stick came alive in the hands of Dhyan Chand. What is the meaning of dribble? The meaning of dribble is to move slowly. Why did some people steal his sticks? Some people stole his sticks and broke them open to see whether they contained a special glue or magnet. How did Dhyan Chand play with the ordinary stick? Dhyan Chand play with the ordinary sticks in a charismatic way. Now match the following words with its pictures. Cricket ball, cricket bat, stumps, shoes, pads, gloves, helmet. Here is a helmet, hat. Now worksheet number 2.7. We have to match the singular words with their plural. Mouse, mice, woman, woman. House, louse, lice. Goose, geese. Foot, feet. Man, men. Tooth, teeth. Fill in the blanks. There are 3 women. WOMEN. One man is wearing blue and the other 2 men are wearing green. I saw a gaggle of white geese in the lake yesterday. Do you have freckles on the foot or on the both of your feet? I saw a dog chasing 3 mice. Now here dictation, 3 words, stumps, socks, peacock, like that. In the worksheet number 2.8, we have to match the words with their pronouns. Vasu and I, we. John, he. The big truck, it. Ramya, she. Ishwar and Rafi, they. Now replace the underlined parts with suitable pronouns and rewrite the sentence again. Kavya is a dancer. She is a dancer. Razu and Gopi work well together as a team. They work well together as a team. Mohan is learning a new language. He is learning a new language. Ramu and I are friends. Ramu and I are friends. We are friends. The bag is heavy. It is heavy. Now we have to circle the pronouns. How many brothers and sisters do you have? You. Today we have a tea party. We. I am a training dog. He walked home. He. Here he is a pronoun. Who are they? They is a pronoun. Describe the thing using the right words in the given in the brackets. Describe your favorite toy. My father brought me a teddy bear. I loved it very much. I carry it wherever I go. I play with it in the evening and also talk with it. It is my good friend. Describe your birthday using the right words in the brackets. Hi friends, I celebrated my birthday on 25th September 2021. I woke up early in the morning. My mother made some payasam. My sister bought a packet of chocolates. I distributed them to my friends and sheet number 2.10. We have to observe the cricket scoreboard carefully. The board talks about match summary. The teams played were Australia and India. The highest score was made by Tendulkar. Harbhajan took 4 wickets. India was 17 runs ahead of Australia. After reading the lesson, we have to answer the following questions. Who called Dhyan Singh as Dhyan Chand? Dhyan Singh's coach called him Dhyan Chand. Where were the 1936 Olympics held? The 1936 Olympics were held in Germany. Who played against India in the finals? Germany played against India in the finals. Why did Dhyan Chand remove his shoes? Dhyan Chand's spiked shoes were making it difficult for him to run fast in the wet ground. So he removed his shoes. Who pounced on Dhyan Chand and why? The German goalkeeper pounced on Dhyan Chand to hurt him. Who won the Berlin Olympic Games in hockey? The Indian team won the Berlin Olympic Games in hockey. What did the German ruler offer to Dhyan Chand? The German ruler offered Dhyan Chand a higher salary and rank in the German army.